on my way to work this morning, so come for the ride with me. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for checking the video out once again. If you're a returning subscriber, and if you're new, consider subscribing. My video that I did about a week ago, riding home from work, did decent for views and all that, so I figured, you know what, why not make a video you know, going to work. It's about 7:30 in the morning right now. I think it's around 4 degrees, so it's pretty cold, but we're gonna manage. So yeah, this is my commute to work on a regular weekday here in Halifax. Right now it looks like there's not much traffic going on, but once we get down to Joseph Howe, Bedford Highway area, like the Windsor Street Exchange, for some of you that know the area, that's where it usually gets busy and it's backed up, and I'm gonna show you how I go through that on a bike. Did you guys notice that? I started up in 3rd gear. I forgot to change gears. Oh, I guess I'm still a new rider. This is my 3rd year riding, so when are you considered not a new rider anymore? How many years do you have to ride in order to go to the next level? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? Let me know in the comments. Today it's actually supposed to be a warm day. It's supposed to go up to 16 degrees, but right now it definitely doesn't feel like it because it rained also through the night. But it's supposed to be nice. And I also have an appointment to take the bike into the shop for an MVI later today, so it better not rain. According to the weather, it's not supposed to, so we'll see. That proved us wrong many times before. It's April 24th here in Halifax today, and it's cold. Let me know where you're from and what the weather is like in your area, because 4 degrees, 5 degree weather is not the most enjoyable to ride. So this is where it usually starts getting busy. The line starts to back up, and usually if I would go to work with the car, I would have to be in these lines. But we're gonna go left. Now we're gonna try and sneak in later on down the line. It's much easier to do with the bike than a car. That wasn't so bad. People don't like when you try and come in. Oh, that blue car just flipped off the person in front of me. I know when I usually ride this way, when I drive with the car this way, I try to let people in, at least one or two. Because honestly, how far are you planning on going if you don't let them in? Just what's the distance? Not very far. And oh, also by the way, this is supposed to be a one-lane road right here, but over the years people made literally 2 lanes like this. The guys on the left, they're all trying to go up on the bridge, and the guys on the right, the lane that I'm in, or imaginary lane anyways, usually just try to go straight. But most of them go in the one excuse me, the lane that I was in, and just bump right ahead and try to cut into this lane over here to get on the bridge. See, like this car right here, the white one. I don't know if you can see in the mirror there. I'm good for the back. Nobody's gonna hit me. Always check your mirrors, guys, as you're slowing down to a stop. You never know, the person behind you might be a complete fool and not even realize you're stopping. Hopefully the GoPro lens doesn't have any rain droplets on it. That would suck because I'm almost to work. This must be familiar to you guys now if you have been watching my videos as of late. And we're gonna take a right here on Leeds Street, go up the hill, and that's where my work is. Anyways, we'll finish the video here. I'm just pulling into work now, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video going to work, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.